Can music really boost your brain power and improve your health? Let's find out. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we share tips and tricks to live a healthier and happier life. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, the incredible benefits of music on our brain health. Stick around to learn how music can enhance your life. Before we share more of this valuable information, please take a moment to help the channel by sharing, liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. We are aware that 90% of viewers don't subscribe, please do. First, let's talk about why music is such a powerful tool for our brains. Music stimulates the brain in unique ways, engaging areas involved in emotion, memory, and even physical coordination. Research has shown that music can reduce anxiety, lower blood pressure, and alleviate pain. It also improves sleep quality, mood, mental alertness, and memory. Isn't that amazing? But how exactly does music achieve all this? When we listen to music, our brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical. This can enhance our mood and make us feel happier. Additionally, music engages multiple parts of the brain, providing a total brain workout. This is especially beneficial as we age because it helps keep our cognitive functions sharp. Now, how can you incorporate more music into your life for these amazing benefits? Here are a few simple tips. 1. Create a daily playlist. Start your day with your favorite tunes to boost your mood and mental alertness. 2. Learn an instrument. It's never too late to learn. Playing an instrument engages your brain in new ways. 3. Join a music group. Singing or playing music with others is a great way to stay socially connected and mentally active. So, can music really boost your brain power and improve your health? Absolutely. By incorporating music into your daily routine, you can enjoy a happier, healthier, and more vibrant life. This video was created by Bill Vargas, an independent Medicare agent, which means he works for you, not the insurance companies. Go to Medicare self-enrol.com, enter your zip code to find the right Medicare plan for you in your area, and then easily self-enroll. Your trusted partner in Medicare enrollments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. And share your favorite songs or musical activities in the comments below. See you next time.